Joshua, how are you? 1 to 2. PML, what's up now? Thank you for joining, guys. What's up? Happy weekend to you. Happy weekend to you. This week has been a good week again. Again. This week has been so sweet. We thank God. 11 weeks in a row. They're pushing out. Please, let's stop. 11 weeks in a row. 11 weeks in a row. Please, let's stop. Let's stop. Yeah, YouTube guys, you're welcome. Thank you for joining, guys. God bless you. Hey, what's up? Waiting boss. Oh, I'm here. Good afternoon, sir. How you doing now? I'm here. Thank you for joining. Okay. Please let us tap and share. I'm coming. Okay, I need to check this. V25 is what? Is confusing me. Don't worry, we're going to do V25. Let us get to 2K likes so that we can start. Because I want to engage on V25. Is it V25 or V10? I have my house on V10. And I have bias on V25 1S. Please, let's start. The V25. We're going to talk about the V25 too. We're going to talk about it too. But let's start and share. On YouTube, please let us share. Babe, let me see your phone. Let me to go to this thing. No, not this one. The other one. Not this one. Leave here totally. You know. Say what she buy now. Give me a job.
I
said the other one, I should know now. Please, let's start and share. 2K likes. I'm waiting for you guys. Jesse, what did I tell you? What did I tell you to do? People on YouTube, please let us share the live stream. People on YouTube. Mary Banks, thank you for joining. This on FX, I see you. Please let's start and share. TikTok, please let us get to 2K. 2K likes so that we can start. 2K likes. I'm waiting for you. 2K likes. I don't want us to miss out on this opportunity. Let us quickly move, do fast, move, do fast, move, do fast, move, do fast. No. Please let us start, let us start, let us start, let us start, let us start. Hey Mohammed, what's up? How are you doing? PMR. We'll be having back to back week, 11 weeks in a row. It's just by God's grace. No be we, na God. Na God. So let's share. 2K likes, 2K likes, 2K likes. We are on 1.4, 1.5 now, 1.5 now. We are less than 400. I need another distance so that I can be seriously. And the other distance to do. You can, right? Okay, it's not working on the phone again. Yeah? Yeah. 1.9. Give me a minute. 1.9. Let's start. 1.9. All right, 2.4. Oh, nice one, nice one. Glorious Destiny, what's up? Yeah, it's been a while. How you doing now? You don't use a leg to give me a minute, I'm coming. How's been your week? This week too is kind of challenging, but we thank God we were able to come back. Please, let's stop. Let's stop. Maybe let me to wait. Please, if you have question, you can come up. All right. So you're welcome. Like I said, this week that just ended on Friday was a very, very good one. We thank God. And we have a running trade that is actually running. Let me turn the camera. We have a running trade that is running. That is running for this week. Tell your daughter to speak on the Let me do it. Which account? Yes? Okay. So this is the last trade that is running from our last week. So it's still running. Both we are on break even, and both has already hit our TP1 already. So this trade is still running. If this trade should close, this one will be getting about 1 to 4. Can you see? Then I might close this one around here. We'll be closing this week with a very massive profit. But at the moment, we still close this with profit. So that is the main thing. All right, so let's talk about this V10. I have bias on this V10. So now we want to talk about the weekend trades. Okay. So first thing first, we go straight to what is it called? 3 months.
There's always one song in the queue that kills the momentum. The Spotify Premium.
Let's go to 3 months time frame.
Turn off shuffle, reorder your
Please
tracks,
let us stop.
and
Let
play
us stop.
music
Let us
in the
stop.
exact order that fits the moment. Tap the banner to learn more. Your music mood shifts throughout
Now,
the day.
if you look at this
Spotify's
3 month
playlist
time
picks up
frame,
on
you will see
It's a
that
playlist
market
updates as the day
is
goes on, matching the kind of
market is
music you
bearish.
actually feel like
Okay,
hearing.
market is what?
Check yours
Market
and see
is
what Spotify's
bearish.
picked for this moment.
This lighting. Here we go. 6.
You've been humming that song all day, but you can't quite get the words right. Open the now playing screen on Spotify and swipe up. Lyrics scroll in real time as the track plays. Sing along, learn every word, or just finally find out what the song has been saying.
So market is bearish on our monthly. As you can see, monthly 2 is showing what? It's showing a bearish momentum. Market give us this lower low, lower highs, lower low, lower highs. Now market is dropping again. So let's go straight to weekly. On our weekly time frame, as you can see, weekly has given us what? A nice equal highs here. Okay, you see this level. Then this middle range here, you see the way market break it, and this is the support area. All right, this is support area where I still expect market to what? To drop to the downside. I expect market to drop to the downside. Please let's stop. I expect market to drop to the downside. So let's zoom. Now look at what happened here. The market gave us a nice rejection from this area, okay, which is our weekly resistance level. That's our weekly resistance level. We go straight to daily now. So this is daily. All right, this is daily. And as we all can see, we realize the market has been giving series of lower low, lower highs, okay, to the what? To the downside. Okay, so we want to see market do this again and drop to the downside. That's my bias. So now let's zoom. So on our daily time frame, okay, what can we have here? Let us go straight to the closest thing that we have here. Now you realize that we have a break from here. Market break this guy to the what? To the downside. So market come here and reject from this area. So we're having a rejection where market can actually push lower to this point, either to this area or to break all the way down. So two things are likely to happen here. All right, two things are likely to happen because you see this zone, this area is an inducement leg for this area to be used for sell. Do you understand? That is an inducement leg for market to use this area and what? Sell off. All right, but market is rejected from here at the moment, whereby we can actually take opportunity to this guy. Yeah, so let me mark out this area, this guy. Let me mark it out that we're going to use as our target. That is going to be our target, and let us mark out this our resistance level that market rejected yesterday. That is our DR. And that is our DR. So we go straight to 4 hours now. So this is the 4 hours time frame. Okay, 4 hours has already given us on this thing. I think it's late for us to engage. It's already late, so we could have engaged for a sell here. It's already late. Market give us this was the rejection, and the market is breaking to the downside. So let's see if market can actually still come back. Let's go to 1 hour. If market can come back so that we can engage on this sell. All right, if market can come back to this point, we're going to engage here for the sell. This is our 1 chart. Okay, we're going to engage for a sell from that point, and our SL is going to be above that high. Then we go low. Do you understand? So let us put alert here. Please, let's start and share. Let's start and share. I think alert is created. All right, so that is for V10. So this V25, let me quickly check. I have buyers. Ah, oh my God. Please, let's stop. So let us pick it from 3 months. Now, you all can see that this guy is bullish, okay? On our 3 month time frame, we have a bullish trend. This eye was broken, this eye was broken. Now we have another eye here. So for this guy to start pushing up, I still expect this guy to push lower, all right? So on our monthly time frame, okay, beautiful. So this is what we have a monthly time frame, okay? I expect this guy to what? To drop to at least to this support area. Can you see the market is rejecting from this resistance level? All right, it's rejecting from around 84 84,000, okay, from here. So I expect this guy to get to around this point, which is about almost 76,000 around there. That's where I expect this guy to get. So let me mark out this support. This is going to be the target. All right, this is our what monthly support area, MS. I expect market to come there. All right, look at the rejections that we've been having around here so far. So this is what our monthly resistance level, MR. So we go straight to weekly now. So on our weekly time frame, as you can see, market give us a nice higher high, higher low, lower high, lower low, equal. Now I want to see market come to this point. We can have this and push up again, or market can break lower by breaking this area. Okay, anything can happen. But if you look at this, our weekly candle for the past how many weeks? That is 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll be having the bearish momentum, right? So I want to see this guy push down to this our MS. We have a zone here that I want this guy to push to. Okay, so now on daily, now we are looking for sales. Okay, we are looking for sales to that point. So now this is our daily time frame. As you can see, on day the market is what? Bearish from here. We have this low, lower high, lower low, lower highs. Okay, lower low, lower highs, lower low, lower highs. I want to see another drop to the downside. All right. So let's zoom. Now look at this point where we have this our break. Where we have this our break. Can you see that rejection? From that rejection, market created this resistance level. But at the moment, I'm not sure market is going to use that resistance level. Where market is rejecting from this guy, which is giving us head and shoulder. So this is our DL. So we have two areas for this entry. This is what? DL, and this is another DL. So this DL is a virgin area that market created. Okay, that is a virgin zone, those two zones. Okay, so market is likely to start rejecting from here or come up to this area and start rejecting. All right, and last candle, which was this yesterday candle, rejects from this guy, which is giving us a nice head and shoulder. Okay, which is giving us a nice head and shoulder. So from here we can begin to look for what? Selling opportunity. Please let's start. So now let's go to 4 hours. We're looking for sales now, right? Beautiful. So this is our 4 hours. What do we have on 4 hours? Now market give us from this high, we have this nice push, lower low, lower highs, inducement leg, lower low. Market has taken the inducement edge now. Now is doing this. So we want to see markets keep dropping to the downside. So our first weekend trade is actually going to be what? Is actually going to be this. So I love the way market gives us this bullish candle. All right. If you mark out your fib level from this high now to this low, okay, that is a golden zone area. All right. So I will be calling out for a short right now. Going out for a short, make sure your SL is this way. Put your SL like this, okay? Then we go all the way down. So my first TP is actually going to be this point, all right? Then second TP, let us look for where we're gonna be using for this second TP. Let's go to daily. So I'm gonna be using this same low. Okay, very good. Okay, so I think I'm gonna be using this same low here. Okay, so I'll be confirming this guy as our first trade for the weekend trade, right? Here is our first TP, TP1. So let us hope for SL. Let's hope for what? SL. This is the SL price. Hope for what? Hope for SL. Hope for SL. This is the TP1. Then our final TP is gonna be here. Okay, so permit me to post this on the free Telegram group and our VIP. Wait 25 minutes. Hey, what's up, brother? Okay. Which one? Oh. You go check, and if it is something you can take, if you cannot take it, I will advise just leave it. If it's very volatile, I will advise you to leave it. Okay. Weekend signal. So guys, please give me a minute. Make I put my Excel, please. Make I use this one. Do a sharp, sharp. You know what, guys? We're going to engage on this trade. This is our daily support. We are going to engage on this trade. Short. Oh God, this thing is. Let me. And the else will be the cocoa. Let's go to 1 hour. 1 hour has broken this support area. Okay. We're gonna put our SL here. So guys, you can engage on this right now. Sell right now. 1 hour sell now.
There's always one song in the queue that kills the momentum. With Spotify Premium, you don't have to leave it to chance.
Sell now.
You order your tracks.
Give me a minute. Let me enter this one too. Okay, don't worry. I will use this one. Let me use this second phone.
Your music doesn't have to stay on your phone. With Spotify, you can start a song on your phone.
4845.
Smart speaker in your car
So
or across thousands of connected devices. Start a track in one place, finish it somewhere else. Everywhere you listen. Your music mood shifts throughout the day. Spotify's Daylist picks up on it. It's a playlist that updates as the day goes on, matching the kind of music you actually feel like hearing daily.
All right.
Spotify's pick for this month.
Àwọn málàmù ló ń kọjá bí báyìí. Ṣé ẹ gbádùn báyìí? Let's go to 4 hours. So this is the TP here. This is the TP here. Okay. Then TP1. Okay. Because me not 2 position enter. Or TP1 can actually be 1-1 so that is going to 1-1 for TP1 is better on this trade. So let us get ready for these two SL. Where are you? Okay. Let's get ready for these two SL. V10, somebody is asking which pair is V10. V10, all right? V10. If this is your first time joining, you're welcome. My name is Rachel. So I go live every day, I stream every day. On a weekend like this, I come live sometimes in the afternoon, most times in the afternoon. This is a view what. In the afternoon, I go live weekend, but from Monday to Friday, it's 9 a.m. in the morning. 9 a.m. in the morning, okay? All right, so it has been posted on the free Telegram group and the VIP. So I go live every day, okay? So make sure you join us. All right, and if you want to join our VIP, my VIP is $20 to join the VIP. Only weekend like this, I give them free trade. But what I do is I just give weekly buyers. All right, I only give weekly buyers. I say weekly buyers. I give them trade buyers during the weekdays, but weekend, Saturday and Sunday, any trade we take, I share it both on the free Telegram group and the VIP. So on our VIP, so far so good. For the past 11 weeks now, we'll be having win back-to-back wins. This week, we're just the end now, and we have a running trade that is running. It's kind of a challenging one, yes, because we have plenty SLs, but we come back with little profit. But at the moment, we still have a trade that is running, which is unbreakable. If that wants to close, we're going to close it in massive profit, very good profit. So, but at least we are still in little profit for the week, which is very, very good for us. For 11 weeks in a row, we are still pushing. So by next week, it's going to make it 3 months. And I want to try to set a new record that I will know that, okay, for a whole 3 months, I have win back to back. Jesus. That means I have win back to back. So V10 now added weekend trades. So the V25, we are on it. So let us just hope for the SLs. Both trades, expect SLs on both trades. That's how we go. Okay, expect SLs on both trades. All right. So you can send the request V25. Yeah, this is okay. We should do V25. All right, we go there now. So our V75, the trade that I said is running for that last week, is still running at the moment. You see, it's still running. All right. These are one of our SL. This one that you see here is one of the SL. So we have 2 trade running. This one, this is the TP1. The TP1 has been hit. Then this long one, the TP1 has been hit. Look at that. Okay, the TP1 has been hit. All right. So both of them, we are on break even. As you can see, BE and another BE here. So break even on those trades. So this one will be giving us 1 to 4. If this one hits our target, then we are good. I want the market to actually pull back here so that I can engage another trade again, because I'm still seeing this guy pushing to the upside. So we are still holding this our trade, all right, which is very, very good for us on our VIP. Please, let's start. SL is nothing to us. We celebrate SL here. Okay, if you don't know, we celebrate SL a lot. Okay, but the main thing is at the end of the week, how do you end it? So me personally, I always end the week with good profit. So that's why I see myself a very good profitable trader. I am a very good profitable trader. I know that. You don't understand? I know that. I know that if I'm not good to that extent, I don't think I will start this live stream, which I've been doing since last November. So whenever we make losses, you see it here. All right. Two trade running, 25 1S, and this V25 1S, and this V what's V10, and this V10. So that's it. So let's go check this V25. We're not doing more than 3 trades for this week. We're not doing more than 3 trades for this week. We're not doing more than 3 trades. Okay, so let's go to 3 months. Okay, so on our 3-month time frame, all right, you all can agree with me that this guy is bullish. Am I correct? This guy is what? Is bullish. We have what? A push to the upside, low, higher high, higher low, higher high. You see the market is not respecting this area to pull back. It's trying to target this guy. Market is trying to target this guy. So this is going to be our final bus stop. All right. That is going to be the final bus stop. So we're going to be marking this guy as our what? CDMS. Babe, try to call Ola now. Are they still coming? Call him to know before you cook. Oh. Eh? All right. So this is our TDMS. Sorry about that. I'll be having visitors, so I need to confirm if they are coming before we go cook their food. All right. So let's go to Monday time frame. All right. So on Monday time frame, can you see that market is approaching this area? And if you draw this our trend line, okay, from this point extend, okay, you see this guy, so which is going to align with this trend line. That is our MT. That's MT right here. Okay, this MT. Okay, you see that. So now I want to see this guy push lower to this point, to push to this area. So let's go to weekly. Now this is weekly. Okay, you see that what market did there, market push all the way down here. We have the push up, it created this low, market created this high, rejecting from this guy. Can you see the way market reject from here? All right, and now market is on this support area. So do you think market is going to break it? Do you think market is going to break it? So I think this is where this my brother is saying that this thing I don't know wetin dey sup o, say never, say no dey clear. The reason why it's not clear is because market is on a weekly support area. All right, and what is the price of this? Market is sitting on 2058. That is 2586. So because of that zone, that is where market is not, as in it's finding it difficult to break below. All right. So now two things are now likely to happen here. If this candle should close, you know this candle is going to close tomorrow. Tomorrow is Sunday, right? And that is when our weekly candle will do what? Will actually close. Okay, that is when it's going to close. So the question I should now ask you on the comment box: should we wait until this kind of close, or we should engage for a sell? Because I'm looking for sell, definitely looking for a sell. Market, these are my targets for this sell. Market can come to this area. I have this target, and I have the extreme, the support here. So now the question is, should we wait, or we should go ahead and go look for sell setup on lower time frame? I'm throwing the question to you guys. Please let us start and share.
So from my side, I think we should engage because the thing is giving, isn't it surely going to reach to that level? From my side, I think we should engage on this. We should not wait. But if you wait till tomorrow now, maybe it's now. We not see anything.
Okay. Another person on the comment box. Should we wait? Should we wait, or we should go on lower time frame and look for the sell setup? Guys, let us talk now. Simple question: wait, or we should go ahead for sell? We enter. Talia. I need the guys to engage. Let's talk. Big Danny said we should wait. More people. Plug said we should go ahead. Okay. More people. Only 4 people out of 63. I don't understand. Viral said we should wait. Okay. We should wait, or we should go ahead. All right, Usman said we should wait. Usman said we should wait. All right. Pacha said we should go. That we should go ahead. Wait or go? Wait or go? That's a simple question. Wait or go? Wait or go? Vida, thank you. Okay, no problem. Let's see what we have on lower time frame. Okay, you got the selling pressure is there crazily. All right. Number one, we already have this rejection. Okay, coming from this guy. Another this rejection coming from this guy. Your TikTok is not showing. Sorry, people on TikTok here, can you see my screen?
Yeah,
It's showing, Abi.
Yeah, very good.
Bello Junior said my TikTok is not showing. Okay, I'm coming.
Getting together with friends and need a playlist everyone can add to? On Spotify, you can invite people to add songs to the same playlist. Tap the invite button, share the link, and
All right, so can you all see?
open any playlist and try it.
On our daily time frame, all right, so on our daily time frame, we have what? A nice bearish candle. They took our lights. Last candle, which was yesterday, market give us a nice bearish candle. Okay, look at the way this candle close. Let me turn this way. Okay, look at the way this candle, look at the way it closed. It closed nicely. All right, so this candle is about to break this weekly support, so I want to see this guy keep dropping lower. All right, so please just give me a minute. All right, so now we are looking for what? More selling opportunity. On daily time frame, market has been bearish around here. All right, so now let's go to 4 hours. Let us see how we can engage. We're going to engage on this side too. So this is our 4 hours time frame. This is our 4 hours time frame. We have a nice lower low, lower high, higher low, lower high, market breakdown, lower low, lower high. Now market is not consolidating here. So from here, I want to see another drop from this area. So what market is actually doing now is what? Consolidating. So we need to be careful. Okay, around here, market is what? Consolidating on this 4 hour support area. So now on 1 hour, this is our 1 hour time frame. So can you see our 1 hour? 1 hour give us what? A nice, let me take this one out. Okay, market give us what? A nice lower low, lower highs, lower low, lower high, higher low, lower high. I want to see another what? Lower low, breaking these two lows to the what? To the down side. Okay, please let's tap. And if you mark out your trend line, okay, on this 1 hour from here, or let us pick it this way. Babe, quickly call now. Continue your call. Show that mama. This is Totiri now. All right. So now look at this our trend line from here. Okay, you see that. So there's possibility that market is likely to keep dropping from there. And if you check our 1 hour here, we have this nice rejection here. Look at this nice rejection. Can you see from this 1 hour resistance? Now I created another 1 hour resistance level here. Okay, this area, this one out 1 HR. Then we go straight to 15 minutes. All right, 15 minutes, you're gonna see where market is using for this sell. All right, beautiful. So market is using this fair value gap area for what? For this sell around there. This is a very strong area that market is using. Boom. Can you see that area that I mark? That is where market is actually using at the moment. Okay. So let me do it this way. So we're going to engage this trade from 1 hour time frame. All right. So if you're engaging on this sell, all right, we go low, we go short from here, and we make sure our SL is above this high. Put it this way, okay. Then we do what? We go low. So let me take this guy out. So tomorrow, obviously, we're not going to be taking any trade tomorrow. So we're just only going to do our weekly bias. So let's go to 4 hours and mark out our TP areas. So here is going to be the TP1. So let's go to daily. So here is going to be the we can use this week or this low. But this kind of trade might actually give us what is it called? It might pull back from there. That's just my concern. Yeah, and if market should pull back, it might not hit our break even. Okay, so don't let us to do too much. Let us put our final TP here at this week. Okay, we'll not do too much. So now let's go back to 1 hour. Please go on sell. Sell, 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 sell. Okay. Sell. TP1, TP1, where is it? Hey, one dabei. Let me quickly do this so that I will post it before I will do my own because of time. Because of time. Okay, yeah, well, look, baby. Oh, shake me fully direct. Okay, they are not home yet. I'm not sure they can come again. Jacob Pay no Kotolo. So guys, you can enter yourself. Let me quickly post this one. Please let's tap and share. Final trade for the week. 3 trades. That is what I do. We don't do more than 3 trades. Okay, we don't do more than 3 trades. And everything is sell, 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 sell. All the 3 trades is sell. Make everything just go against us. Direct SL. Direct SL. Direct SL. You get it? You get it? Direct SL. Woof. I think they should let them come before you go. Sure, you understand? Or what do you think? B25. We can go. Okay, Macbell. Babe, come. Please, let's start. Open this curtain for me. Okay, draw the curtain. My bad. Let's stop. Woo! Let us hope for SL. All our TD trades should go straight to SL. Should go to SL. Bello Junior, where does sir?
Well done.
How you there, sir?
I'm doing fine. We are telling you that your TikTok was having problems since you didn't read your YouTube comment.
Ah, what's happened to TikTok?
I even said, no, it was recently that he came back now. It was just rolling since.
Eh.
It was just rolling.
Because I saw your message, right? So when I saw your message, I asked people that are you guys seeing my TikTok? Everybody say yes that they can see.
Well, maybe it's only me and Tobak that I was not seeing you because even Tobak messaged you on TikTok, YouTube also.
Eh?
Yes.
I don't know. Yeah.
It was when you are not responding. That's why I sent you on Telegram also. I sent message to you on Telegram.
I need to do something on that on this thing. What did they call them? On this YouTube so that I can be seeing the comments quickly. I think so.
You can just the YouTube page is in your phone, right? You can just click the comment box to be bringing out the comment section.
It's on, but I don't put it on now, but not be all the time the thing they show. I don't put it on, Sha. It's on now.
But it's not showing. Oh, okay.
It's on now. Well done, sir. How the weekend?
With Spotify, you can start a song on your phone.
Fine, we thank God.
Well done, sir.
Smart speaker in your car.
Yeah, I am the one. Well done, sir.
Track in one place, finish it somewhere else. One account everywhere you listen.
I am the one. Can you unmute your mic?
Senior man, I don't get joy for you this day like this as well.
What's happen now, brother?
I don't get joy for you today like this. I don't get joy for you.
I beg, get joy from you.
Complain for that guy.
Get joy.
Me, I don't follow you, no be today. You don't tell me I dey follow you. This thing where you post today, elective pay me.
Which one?
That guy does ask you. That post where he release or on top that guy will say. That guy will say me give him free signal. Guy, I don't need trade no be today, and I dey help people, I dey give people signal no be small, and I free. If you want make people trust you for this life, you will just trust them too. You understand? No be saying one scam you or anything. I know I take me. Now why you say I won't join this your life? I'm a working man. I get siblings, I get people I they take care of. You understand?
Okay.
You guys still help people for this life. I know say wetin you do, you no follow you talk properly. I mean, I'm misunderstanding, but you know who's supposed to post time, the thing really annoying me. Like,
wait, which one? Which one are you talking about?
you understand?
Wait, is it for the VIP? The guy will talk about the VIP, right? I'm the one. Are you there? Yeah, is it the guy that talk about the VIP?
I dey hear you.
The guy will talk about the VIP, the $10.
The guy with them, yes, that guy that say that he wants to join VIP and you told him $10 that he post video today.
No, not be today. I post them. I don't post them for like a month now or so.
I don't even get joy for you.
Wow, I bet you need to get joy. I go explain my point. So make I know the reason why. What did I do? Go when no make sense. Let me know. I'm open to this thing. I'm ready to adjust. But make I know what I do when no really make sense. You said you don't dey follow me, right? How long you don't dey follow me?
I don't dey follow you like guy na since beginning of this year. I don't know
Really?
when, but I don't dey follow. I don't dey watch your videos. No be today. You understand?
Abeg, you be my person, you understand? You be my person, abeg, no vex. Then secondly, right, you say you don help some people. Who and who you don help? I mean, in your community, how you dey take do your own? How can you describe your own help? Make I know.
See, me like this, I get handwork. I dey do tailor. I dey sew clothes. Any money wey I get, I go put am for this forest. Now gold be my number one pair. And if I dey clean food, I dey give signal. My signal wey I dey give to people, e dey pass almost 10 or 20. Anytime wey I dey enter, as long as I go. You understand?
Okay, wait. The signal wey you get,
many of my guys.
the signal na VIP or just normal free group? Na normal free group, abi?
I know na free group I dey give.
Okay.
No be for group. Na for WhatsApp like this.
Okay.
If I wan enter position, I no need to post am for. I no get group or anything. All my guys wey I know say dey do forex, I go just forward am to them. And all of them, they know say na me. So you gats risk with me. You understand? All of us we dey hustle and we dey put am. If we lose, we lose. If we gain, we gain. You understand? This thing we go do am, we help each other. All of us be Nigeria, we dey suffer. You understand? And you know good. See what this happy effects wey you see say they dey give, they dey sell VIP signals, but man no lie you, all that thing na their main source of income. Because how e go be say person go guide, person go guide wetin no good, still come dey sell for you signal. They go. You understand?
Okay, wait. I understand you. Wait, I get your point. Seriously, wallahi ta'ala, I get your point. I understand where you're coming from. Okay. I want to ask one simple question. You say you don dey follow me for almost the beginning of this year. All right. So now, how can you rate wetin I dey do for live stream every day? Wetin I dey try do? Okay, now only signal I dey come do. Now only signal I dey do for you.
Yes, now I never see you do give away. You don't score people do give away. Me, I never see that one for any life of yours, so I don't join.
This one I got to put my mind. This one cost my head.
Wait. No. Please, I beg. Please wait. Please wait. I beg you all. I beg everybody. I beg everybody. Please never put mouth. I use God. Beg everybody. Just listen. Let me and I'm the one have this conversation. When it's time, everybody can now talk their mind. You understand? More just have that conversation. So now, my brother, you said I never do giveaway. Okay, so until I do.
I never see you give away. You know.
Okay, so until.
You know they sit down and say I go watch your life. If I don't sleep small, I go see say you know they do like we dey follow people talk. I go come out. You understand that guy setting?
Okay, now people are dey follow talk for here. Okay.
I no go dey.
Okay, now so.
Yes, now I will not see you go dey talk your thing.
Okay, I go just dey talk. Okay. So now that means say all the thing wey I don dey do for ever since I don start or ever since you don join, you never see any good thing say at least I learn this thing o, I no learn this thing o, this guy na this na that. I don't know how you feel rate am, right? So to you now, I never try because I never do giveaway. No vex, I never get that money to do giveaway.
No, that's not what I'm saying. No, that's not what I'm saying.
Okay.
What I'm trying to say and what I'm trying to portray is that you are doing a good job, but the fact of what you posted about that guy, is very much unfair. Person feel now carry like.
Okay, can I ask you a question? I'm coming. Now you said something before I ask the question. You said something. You said the likes of Abby, because you mentioned Abby. Okay, so because Abby get VIP now, he's not doing it rightly. That it's wrong for him to be doing VIP. Am I correct?
No, that's not what I'm saying.
Okay, very good. So now, because it's good, right? You agree now that it's good to actually have a VIP. Okay, very well. So now, can you go to Abby and message him and say, okay, I want to join your VIP group, but before I can join, give me a signal so that I can believe that you are doing well. What do you think, Abby? Eh? Okay, they go give you trade first before you join.
Yeah, you know, say no counts na first, counts. But do you know that Jeff Benson gives free signal? Do you know that ABFS gives free signal? You know
Okay, me and wait now. She me I know they give free signal.
I don't know if they give free signal.
And then then that means say you know they join me. I no believe say you don't they join me for all this one. Today alone now. Wait, today alone now. See 3 signals, 3 trades. Today only.
Yes.
I'm the one. I'm very disappointed in you. Is this say I don't they
disappointed in you?
No, now me supposed they disappointed in you. No be you go they disappointed in me. Because the reason why I'm disappointed in you, the reason I said the reason I said I'm disappointed in you is because you said you'll be joining me for a while, and I don't think you know ratio. If you know ratio, you will not have the mind to come up and say what you are saying here.
I have the mind though. Anybody will not open up tell everything. They don't tell their mind more than
No. See, if you actually tell me what is wrong, say I know say what I do here wrong. No, seriously, I go accept. But what you be saying since no get head, you no get head. I no wan give anybody room to talk, because if they talk, they go want they talk to you anyhow. Shey you understand what I'm saying? They go want they talk to you anyhow. I won't lie to you. If you see come away there and now somebody say remove the guy, you no get direction, and you no know wetin they talk on the comment box. So I know when anybody to just come to they talk to you anyhow. If I really want that, everybody go down they talk to you.
I'm the one. Hello, I'm the one. Yes. You said you be joining the ratio beginning of this year. But what you should have said is that you are just dipping in and dipping out of his life. You saying that he doesn't give free signal. You've not witnessed whether he gives free signal or not. And you're making conclusion on what you don't know about. It's not a good, how will I put it? It's not a good description of yourself.
Okay, I understand.
Without a good confirmation first, I think you must have done your homework before you make an assessment of a person.
I understand. Yes, I understand.
So you making a judgment out of just what you are just doing for just 2 seconds. You just came in 2 seconds, you saw that it's just...
Maybe I'm just talking that time.
And you're still making judgment on that. Yes. Okay, let me give you an instance now. I just came to your house now. I just saw that, okay, you are just writing on your book. I went back. The second day, I saw that you are writing I should just make assumption that you like reading every day. I don't know, maybe it's just that few minutes that I just came to you that you just open your book. That's what you are doing now.
I understand.
It's not a good thing to judge people. It's not a good thing to judge people from behind when you don't know the full story. It's not a good thing at all.
You are saying the truth. You are saying the truth.
Okay. So I think you should go back, do your assignment, and make your judgment again. I will not allow Rachel to say any other thing again. I want you to go and do your assignment and come back.
Okay.
No, it's not apologize. You don't need to apologize.
No, don't need to apologize. So. No. I'm the one. I swear to God, I know the verse. I swear to God, I know the verse for you. I know the verse for anybody, but I swear. No.
Do your assignment, then come back and judge him. Then that time, you can find, you will like break his head.
Sure, you understand?
It's a fair thing. I think you understand. Go back and do your assignment, then come back and make judgments.
Well, now, I'm very sorry, boss.
No. I beg, no verse. I beg, but see, I beg, make anybody know. I use God beg you, please don't write comment of like F1 maybe you should block or something. No. You see, I am the one. When he said he has been following me, there was a time that I noticed this name. And I've been seeing this name for a while, but like he said, maybe it's not consistent. You understand? It might not be consistent on our live stream. Sure you get. So, but seriously, what the guy did, a lot of them, if I want they use that thing for content, I go don do plenty of them. Because this one they go just come to my DM, but that particular one really vex me. You can't say, see, you don't know what $10 is. I'm not saying that you want to pay $100 for VIP. Okay, you want to pay $10. Some people say they if you go and check the comments on that video, many people they talk say na me cause am, say because it's too cheap. Even though on that comment on that video the guy sef talk and say wow it's cheap oh. Something wey you know say maybe dey cheap. The thing we are reason be say the guy fit dey reason maybe na nonsense we dey do for that VIP, maybe na why him talk say make I give am signal, and the signal wey dey talk say scalping. But nevertheless it's wrong. If you really want to know, you go first go my page, go see wetin dey my page first. You go see say I dey live stream every day. Come and witness what we are doing on the live stream before you even come to my DM to come talk to me. Shey you understand what I'm saying? But everything e dey okay as the thing dey, so that people go learn from that video. So if anybody wants to come to my DM, they know say na serious people wey I dey like deal with. On the live stream here, I dey always dey very jovial and laugh at this. But when it comes to say seriousness, most especially my students know me. I no dey frank with anybody. I'm always street when it comes to teaching. But on live stream, I dey always make things lively, friendly, you know, like that. But seriously, the guy mess up, no be me. Yes, sir.
Please, can I ask you one quick question now?
Yeah.
Pertaining the video that showed you, what's your view about the video? What did Rachel do wrong? Particularly, what can you see that you did wrong? So that at least next time if you do that kind of video, you know what to say.
Yeah, exactly. Maybe I can make adjustments. Okay, don't come out. Okay.
He don't come out. Honestly, I was thinking that it's even more angry.
I know. I swear. I know so many people.
And our brother, he just feels like you're asking and let's just blow him up.
Mr. Oluwase Ifumi Shewapa. Oh no. As in, I go look and say, hey, I know they give free signal. Really? When we say there's no day on our live stream. Now only once in a while we no go take trade, and that one be say maybe we no really see good setup. But so far say we see setup. Well, some people dey like that. Maybe say they go just come now view once. Once they just view once, they go leave the live stream. So I think that is what just happened. Yeah, it is well. Please let's tap. So these are the 3 trades that we are on. Oh, I think my network. Okay. Guys, please let's tap. My network was bad. I don't know what this network, seriously. Alright, can you all hear me now? Can you all hear me? So these are the trades that we are on now. V25. Okay. V25. Alright, sir. V25 1S. And this last one V10. So guys, there's something that I need to share with you guys, which I'm supposed to share with you since yesterday, which I forgot. So the recent video I posted, which I posted yesterday, it was because of one of our guy here, and I want everyone to be very careful. I will not say directly maybe he's a scammer, but with the way the things takes up, it looks like a scammer. Who remember the day one of our lady here was being blessed for a free mentorship? Not actually a free mentorship, they paid for her. Who remember that very day? Who remember that very day when our brother Bello Jr. said he's going to pay for that lady, that woman rather? All right. There was this particular guy that was up as well, that is from Kenya. That is from Kenya. That particular guy, we see from his donation, we're going to say this guy in Kenya, where he talks saying from Kenya, blah blah blah, you know. So that guy, he messaged a fellow Kenya lady, and this lady was actually Coppola. Everybody know Coppola on this live stream. I think Coppola is here. Let me check. Coppola always join our live stream. Okay, she's not here yet. She always. All right. So I think that day it was like, oh, Coppola, oh, Kenya, when they were speaking their language that very day. Okay. So after the live stream, I think the guy reached out to that lady asking for a favor. And what is the favor? And with the way this guy was talking, showing that yes, he actually had experience, good experience, that he's a good trader, with the way he was analyzing market that day, sharing his own bias, you know that at least this guy knows what he's doing. This guy was asking for $2. He was asking for $2 from that woman. Okay? And the woman was like, $2. $2? Giving an excuse that I've forgotten the story the guy used for that woman. So use a separate story for her and use another story for me. So when this woman now sent the $2 to her, to him rather, this guy sent a link to Coppola that she should click. That this link that she wants to connect her to his mentor. That the mentor is very good, is that. Okay, if you want to connect somebody to a mentor, why are you sending a link? Which link is that? So Coppola did not click the link. And according to Coppola, she said she deleted her number. So the following day that the guy came up again on our live stream, the guy was appraising Coppola that when he was down, he called, blah, blah, blah. And meanwhile, Coppola don't already even block this guy. She wasn't comfortable. She knew that something is wrong, that this guy is looking like a scammer. That she even wanted to send requests and talk, but she don't want spoil show that day. That's why she just kept mute. How did I know all this story? After my live stream the following day, later in the evening, the guy messaged me on TikTok that, boss, please, can I talk to you? Maybe you are free. I said, yeah, I'm free. He was telling me that him and his brother is in school, blah, blah, blah. He's trying to take care of him, so he doesn't have money to trade. That I should please, if I can help him with $10 so that the following day he's going to refund the $10. So meanwhile, the $2 he said he collect from Coppola, he said he multiplied that he make a lot of money with that $2. That's all right. So he now said he had a good setup on so market, that the market is on a zone where you can actually engage. So once you use the $10 that I want to give him to take the trade, so the following day it's not going to, he may want use me do business. The $10 is not the issue for me. Most of you know how much I risk per trade. But the guy did a mistake of demanding $10 from me. It sounds so suspicious to me. Assuming he's saying like $20, $30, I go the reason I say okay. But and if you wan tell me that, you no go use the story of say you get one trade. Come on, you don't do that. All right. So when he said $10, I said, wow. I quickly remember that this guy made mention of Coppola on my live stream. Immediately, I pick up my phone and I call Coppola on Telegram. That was how I got to know all this thing I just tell you guys, that this is what this guy did. So she was happy that I called. She was very, very happy. That was why I made the video. So who knows, maybe if I send him the $10, he might send me a link and give me a story that is going to interest me, that will make me to click the link. And guess what? When I refused not to reply, because immediately I called Coppola, I heard about the story. I choose not to reply the guy. I want to see the next message to see what is going to happen. And guess what? The following day, the account he used to message me, I saw account not found. Account that was having a name. How possible? Account not found. I never since then, I never seen this guy on my live stream without even giving him any reply. He never called my live stream. I never see these traces. So that is why I even reach out to Bello Jr. I reach out to Julie Julius. So I wanted to reach out to many people that I know that they are always consistent on my live stream, because this kind of people can actually target people that are consistent, that they know that, oh, this guy they always join Rachel's live stream, blah blah blah. Go just target them and go to their DM. So please, always be careful. Anything online, be careful. You know, I said I'm going to bring out the secret of to leak out the secret of how guys are being scamming people through their what is it called, their MT5 this thing done a live stream. All those things is scam. It's not good. I don't know when a trader that you sabi how to analyze and you are busy scamming people. You are still scamming people with the little knowledge that you know, that you have. Guys, please be careful. You need to be very, very careful. Anything can stop, anything can happen here on this live stream. Imagine somebody that always come up, I go bring them up to go talk. Imagine. It is well. Please let us share this live stream and you can send your request.
The guy is royal art,
I can't even the name. I'm not gonna remember the name of the guy.
I think it's royal art. He came up. I think it was like this week that we had. This week that we just finished. They're about to finish now.
Yeah.
He came up now. He came up. Unlike that Kenya guy that was calling Kampala.
Yes.
Meet up with Kampala. No, he's this week.
Hey, busy. The guy that was toasting our Niger girl. God bless you. That was toasting this guy. Yes. Now that guy they talk. Yes. Now that guy they talk.
There's another person you should be careful of.
Hey.
There's one guy that I call. There's one guy that is police. That is always going to a different kind of live stream.
Okay.
Police something like police like this. He used to wear police uniform. Something police or something. He wear a force uniform.
Mm-hmm.
What's it called? We should also be careful. You take note of him also, please.
Okay. No wala. But seriously, I didn't expect that from that guy. I swear to God. And let me bust your head. He might not even be a Kenya person. No. He might just be a Nigerian guy. He might be anywhere that he knows how to speak like them. Who knows?
Getting together with friends and need a playlist everyone can add to?
Yes, so with the calm voice. Look at the very calm voice.
Same playlist. Tap
Look at the very calm
Share
voice.
the link, and everyone builds the
It
same
was just 2 days ago.
Open any playlist and try it.
Because when he messaged me, I was expecting to say different thing, but he was not asking for $10. So when I called Kopala said she was asking for $2. I'm like, if not even collect, so it's not even the money where they do the guy, it's the link. That link. Now it be the main thing. As soon as Kopala click the link, something goes up. There's this one of my brother that used to join our live stream. What's my brother's name? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. The lights. No, is it the lights? This my brother called me. He said he just realized that. He said
Light is the light something, yeah?
yes,
Light or something like that.
yes. That he complained that his phone just went off. Now so they hack his phone. Before you know it, they don't come out money for the reef and the rest like that. They still can't connect to the Wi-Fi too. So all these guys, they are very intelligent. They are very, very. Now little thing they need from you. Shebi e get one time when you say God save me. My this thing just log out. The next I should confirm my this one. I no gree confirm me for where. The guy sabi play the game. If you wan play that kind game, you no suppose play that kind game for my side. You want $10, I should give you $10. Abeg mo just dey very careful online. Mo dey very very careful. Mo dey very 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 careful. Please let us start. So V10, V25. So we have 3 trades running for this week. So let us hope for SF for all of them. SF for all of them. Okay. This is the second one, 25 1S, and this is the third one, V25. Yeah. Maybe you have follow Sean's number. Call follow Sean. Ask him maybe if they are still coming. Let's go to 1 hour. Because this is after 3 already, so I'm not sure they will come. Is it necessary? So this is the third one. Okay. This is the third one. So let's see how far we can go with all these fruits. Let's see how far we can go with all these fruits for this week. Yeah, Rian, please, you can talk now. You can mute your mic, my brother. What's up?
Okay. Good evening, sir.
Well done, sir. You're welcome.
Okay, I'm from Kenya.
From Kenya, my brother. What's up now?
I had an issue.
Okay, brother.
So, since I've been trading for some months.
Okay.
And since I have a small account, I was hoping to buy a pro farm.
Okay.
So I was inquiring what's your fee on a pro farm?
On Profem, right?
Yeah.
I will be realistic with you, and I will be realistic to everybody here concerning this Profem. All right. So let us just say Profem versus real account. Let's put it that way. Okay. Go and cook it. Are they on that way? Okay. Go and cook it. Go and cook it. Go and cook it. Go and cook it. So, now let's talk about the Profem and listen. Let me ask you this question first. How long have you been trading?
6 months.
6 months. Oh, 6 months is actually low. All right. Okay. So, Profem is good. But is it actually better? I will say no. What is it?
You know, I've been using small accounts, so it has become a problem when handling small accounts. So I was trying to ask you what's your fee on when I bought a pro farm. Since I've been learning from your live stream,
okay.
I'm not such bad.
All right, now I get. So now, Profem is good, but is it actually the best versus live account? It's not the best. Okay, So the good part is what Profem will actually do is it's gonna shape you to be a good trader. So you can use a Profem to actually build yourself because they have plenty rules that if you go against it, your account is gone and you will not like it. Do you understand? You will not like it. Okay? It's going to help you to get better when it comes to risk management. It's going to help you to get better when it comes to trading plan. Okay? It's going to make you to get better when it comes to consistency. It's going to make you to get better when it comes to take caution. Having caution always. Having caution always. All right? These are the things that is actually going to do. So now, when you now leave the stage of struggle, that okay, I've passed the level of struggle. As a trader, as a good trader, is it actually good? No. Live account is best. And I will give you reasons. When it comes to Profem, it's going to limit you from making more money, most especially when they have consistency rule. Number two, okay, the risk is too tight. When they say super tight. Number three, their targets, I mean the overall drawdown that they are giving you and the daily drawdown that they are giving you is ridiculous. That's one. Then number four, you see the amount of money that they are giving you to trade. They say you buy account of 5,000. Have it in mind. They are not giving you 5,000 naira account to trade. They are only giving you the 10%, the overall drawdown. Then Baba, please mute your mic. They are only giving you just the 10%. What is the 10% of $5,000? Is that not 500? Am I correct? Is that not $500? If I'm correct.
Yes.
That is it. So they're not giving you $5,000. So the time that that you're going to use to pass the phase 1 and phase 2, if it is on your real account, imagine how much you could have made with that. Calculate the 8% phase 1, 4% phase 2, 12%. If you make 12% on your live account, imagine what you could have you will make. Imagine what you will make with that. Some professional traders like to trade Profem. It's good. But to be realistic, it's not. Because Profem is there to make money. Profem is there, their target is for people to fail. Because all those things are tight. They give you 100k accounts. It's not 100k account they're giving you. They're only giving you the 10%. You're limited to that. And any little mistake you do concerning their rules, your account is gone. Your account is totally gone. If you don't pay attention to the rules and regulations, your account is gone. The rules, like you log in on this phone, log in on another phone, or something, they will say like it's prohibited. You do this, you do that, you do this, you do that. They will say it's prohibited. You do that, you share this, is prohibited. What? That is for the level of a professional trader. But when it comes to a trader that is still struggling, my brother, I will advise you, go for Profem. Any Profem that you go for now, all right, don't have it in mind that you want to pass the account or you want to be making money, you want to get to the level of, no, it will not work. Just use that Profem try to follow their rules. Try to use the prophet to, because you're gonna blow 1, blow 2, blow 3, blow 4. You're gonna blow a lot because professional traders blow plenty accounts. I've seen some professional traders, if they want to buy a prophet, they will buy like 10 at a time. Some will buy like 5 and they'll be taking trade on it because they know that out of these 5 they might lose 3 or lose 4. At least 1 they will pass it and they will make sure they cash out from 1. And once they cash out, the cash out will be able to cover all the money that they used to buy other account and they will still make money. Some they may be lucky to have 2 that they will pass and they will make money from it. I have a trader that is doing that if you have the money, of course. And for professional, the reason why it's good, the best way to scale up is just buy profit if you want to scale up. Did you understand? Buy a bigger account of profit to scale up. It's good. So they have the good parts and they have the bad parts. I don't know if you're in Nigeria. Okay, you're not in Nigeria, you're in Kenya. I don't know if 10 Trade is working there. 10 Trade is a pro firm. I think I will, on my next live, maybe on Monday, I'm going to talk about 10 Trade. I have a guy that has been using this 10 Trade for 2 years. There was a time I want to partner with them. In fact, they use called Disturb Me Tire, I no agree. 10 Trades. Because I don't have belief in them as at that time. So they stopped calling me. So if not because of this guy that I know, and has been using them for 2 years. So they have a instant account that you buy and their rules is very okay. They don't have consistency rule on that direct account, live account. They don't have and their overall is 10%. Yes, 10% overall. So it's just like a normal phase 1 or phase 2 rules that is very easy. Okay, that's what they have for their funded. No limits this thing for you. So it's something that once you start trading, you can withdraw as little as any amount that you have, you can withdraw. Okay, but I'm not sure if 10 Trade is working in Kenya. I don't know about that. That's 10 Trade. So I'm going to talk more about 10 Trade probably on Monday. So go for profit, my brother. Go for profit. Go for profit. It's good. Please let us tap and share.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, Shatizi, what's up?
Fine, boss. How's family?
We bless God. Happy weekend to you.
Best wishing, boss.
And how are you coping at the moment concerning your previous this thing? You understand? How you take whole body?
It has already passed. No?
It don't pass. It don't pass. You move on.
So,
Yes, you move on.
yes, that is it.
Yeah.
Sorry, so I want to say something.
Okay, brother.
It's about that scammer way they talk about.
Okay, brother.
You know, say that your YouTube. You know, say if I know, you know, see me another YouTube the day where this time because that
Yes. The YouTube makes sense. It makes a lot of sense. Yeah. Go ahead.
it makes sense. Well, it makes
Yes.
sense. So, like, I dey share your life on Telegram. Like, one lady say I should join their Telegram, I should join their signal, I should do this, do this.
Okay.
I said, okay, no, fine. I accept. But the problem is that I would like to have your WhatsApp number. That the lady even told me that she did for this. Loshia. Yes, she said she stay in Loshia.
Okay.
She said, fine, okay, good. But I would like to have your WhatsApp number so that I will know that, yeah, you are real. So they say that no problem. It's like, trust, because you know, I will trust you, but I will not trust you because a lot of people coming on this on Telegram. So I can't believe anybody in Telegram here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So the lady now tell me that, okay, fine. She's doing her live on Thursday. That is on YouTube. So I should come up. She come up down on Thursday. So this I just follow the woman back, but I want to see what she will do down on Thursday. So she thought she will come online on Thursday. So that is next week.
Okay. What is she trying to sell? What is she trying to sell to you?
Say that I should join, I should send money, I should buy this thing, do this thing like she has signal are good, she has students, a lot of students that are I didn't tell her that no, I have my own mentor.
Shatizi.
Yes.
Shatizi. Forget about that woman.
just forget about the woman. That's the honest truth I will tell you. Because what at the end of the day, if you are the type that cannot hold yourself, you end up serving in their hand. Since you made up your mind that you are suspecting that she's a scammer, just ignore it.
So your mind don't shift already.
Because what they will not shift already. I think you understand. If your mind is not certain that this person is trustworthy, it's better you just make up your mind, forget about the person and cancel it.
You understand?
You testing the person. Yes. You testing the person. They will give you offer that you will not be able to reject.
Exactly.
You get it?
Yeah.
Please be careful.
You know, those people, they can play mind game also. And mind game is it's psychological. I think you understand. They can play with your mind in such a way that you tell you, okay, let me just try $2 first. Let me try. That's how you'll be trying it. 3, 4, 5, going higher till you lose your money.
There's always one song in the queue that kills the momentum.
So if you make up your mind that this person, there's tendency that this person will do it, just ignore that person.
Just ignore, please.
Well, before the lady came to my house, I share like live stream like 2 times. So she asked me, what is one mean for? This is my mentor live stream. That is, she can come and attend the live stream. And she now telling me that this is what it's doing, and she have on this student too. But I said that I don't fit join your student because I don't fit join your mentor because they're under mentor already. And I never even complete my mentor. So how am I going to join to another mentor? Lady say, no problem, I should join her life on next week. Blah, 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 blah. So a lot of news coming on Telegram. I don't expect that shit again.
They plenty. They plenty. My brother, they plenty. Bring it, what's up? Please let us start. Let us start. Abala, kilo happen. What on, sir?
I do, my boss. Good afternoon.
Oh, my to Jamaica. How are you? You're welcome, my brother. Have fun now.
I just do, boss.
Yeah.
How things now?
Come on.
Family.
Bless God, though. You day free, Abby?
Today na weekend, I say make I.
I beg.
As I can just see online, I say make
I beg, make him yeah, Bello Junior, I beg, please help me to keep this conversation going, all right? Concerning how we can get better as a trader. This thing don't they hold me. I don't go use toilet before, now you don't they hold me again, so I need to go use toilet, I beg. Make I not go shit for body. Give me a minute, guys. Oh no, Moti jẹjẹ kú jẹ. Listen, don't go there.
I greet you.
Don't touch anything.
Shantizi, I greet you, my brother Rana. How will I be now?
Fine, I'm good. We are good.
How that
So let's go out yourself. It's been a while.
my brother.
It's true. It's been long. That inner circle. I've not been saying anything on inner circle.
That is one of the reasons why I not even take you out after I took them yearly out, because I know that I've naturally not been active on that group and everybody has been busy. I'm just trying to I'm trying to.
It's the timing. That time your meeting is always clashing with something that I'm doing. So that's why most of the time I can just put on recording, so later I'll just watch what people discuss.
Oh, okay. So it's actually not even bad. Yes, as I always say, I just be saying make I just take some break and then do some refinement and all. So that's why I'm not actually been active on that place. So I'm trying to study some things on the chart and then do one or two things. Okay, so that was why. And that's why I never even come out to yourself. If not, I for not come out to yourself. But because I know say to be fair, you've actually not enjoyed the purpose of you being in that group. So that was why I've not actually taken you out. So I was like,
Yes,
okay,
yes,
once I
yes.
started sharing, I actually wanted to share some tape last week, but because I know they share, because two hours last week, I didn't actually take two, I only just took good. And I know they share good for, because of people.
Good.
Overleverage.
Yeah, good. Don't be
Yeah,
friend.
I know.
I know you over level.
And I don't go lie for you.
I know you over
This week, go do me better. I was like, go do me better. But then, I don't know. I'm one of the people who like to take good. Based on my bad testing, but I realized one or two things on good. You know, that I say, very nice. I try to take my time. What did that?
Yes. No, somebody wanted to talk. So, Ryan, you can talk. Go ahead and talk. Go ahead and talk. Oh, okay. He said he wanted to come down. Don't worry. He said he wanted to. Yes. He said he wanted to come down.
So, based on my back test, so I realized that based on my strategy and conferences, so good has actually been giving me something that I've been noticing. So I just took my time in that last over like 2 weeks now to study it and then see what it's actually thinking. And I'm not like it, but actually been, of course, because the good one start nonsense. It will just start all of a sudden, but then it's actually she's still expecting. Still expecting what I'm actually. So what I'm saying in essence that I would have actually dropped. I wanted to drop the trade earlier because the trade was from last week. So in fact, I even hold it over the weekend. So to this week, so I wanted to give the re-entry, but my mind just tell me say, if you don't like to trade good, since I realized say,
I don't like
this
to
synthetically they need to give.
I don't like to display.
Now I know who they do that to my.
Let me give you a short story about gold. Even when we started this synthetic, I raised an account from $100 to $500. So and I said, okay, since I get this free money, let me just do my setup of gold and see whether I can double the account. And you see what I say? So I say, I've blocked gold for a long time. So I just said, okay, let me just give this thing a try. I said, this money is a little bit, okay, it's not my personal money, it's my profit. Let me just risk. I just risked the 500. You don't believe that the money went back to $70.
What I noticed is that the same thing has actually happened to me. So see, what I always do.
My network.
I think
it's ratios.
Can you hear me?
Change.
Hello?
So, hello, you can hear me now? I think it's my network.
Yeah, I can hear you clearly.
So you can hear me. So from that $500, in less than 2 days trade on gold, I went to $70 back.
How you take the
So no, me naturally I used to like to open like 2 positions on every trade I do. So I was risking like $30. That's like $60 per trade. So it went against me. I went, okay, then in the evening, let me try again in the evening. So in the evening I tried again. So what really gave me the drawdown was there was CPI. So I wanted to chase CPI. So I made up my mind that I'm going to sell.
Even this week now.
CPI. You know CPI that?
But this week, that is this week now. That's on Wednesday, on Tuesday. Oh. Hello?
Hello, can you hear me now? It's my network.
I can hear you.
On and off. So I said I wanted to trade CPI that day.
This week, Tuesday or
Wednesday? No. It's like last month. Last month. I'm talking about last month.
Okay.
Last month. This is even more than last month. I think it was the first month. It was the first month that we started synthetic with ratio. That I did that thing.
Ratio.
So it was very painful. Yes, it was very painful. After a lot of stress, getting that account to $500, and I just wasted on food. Just 3 days trade. So since then, I even removed my mind from gold. If somebody is talking about gold beside me, I don't even answer you. No, no matter how no matter how good the setup is, no matter how good the setup is, even if it's from me, from any other person that I know that is good, I will not take it. Make I do my thing.
That's what we call discipline. It's actually good that way. It's actually good. That's discipline. So what I realized
because it was annoying that I just wasted that money. I could have used that money
because you don't know when to back up. You don't know when to back up now. You mean see, anything any fears that is highly volatile. If I don't lose 1 or 2 trades on that day, I know they try to enter that.
No, it was within that 3 days. It was within that 3 days.
That's what I'm saying now. You intentionally overtraded. It's obvious that you have to.
Yes.
I realized that I've been taking too much because of based on the way I do analyze that. I analyze a lot of peers. So that was the reason why I actually went off. So I tried to discipline myself that at least these are the set of if I want to take trades, these are the set of trades I want to be taking, regardless of what is giving me. This is the trade I want to be taking. I specify the trade I want to be taking. Still yet, I'm still checking other peers too. For anything that make me got like 2-3 losing streak in a row, I'll probably not trading for that week anymore. I will just because it happens. I think last 2 weeks, I had like I think I only had 2 trades last 2 weeks, and the 2 trades went against me, and I didn't bother myself. What I did was that I went to check back to see why did I lose the trade, and I realized that it was because of my negligence. Because I really saw what is actually happening, but because I wanted to, based on confidences, I took the trade, and I didn't even bother myself. I didn't beat myself too hard. What I did was that I realized my mistake, then I move on. So finally coming to, I think that same last week, like I said, so on Friday, I've been testing gold. I'm trying to understand what way gold moves. Because I'm trying to align it with my strategy and with the way I trade. And I realized that it's actually giving me what I want. So I give it a try on that Friday. I entered the trade. And it was going well. So when the trading day is about to close, I wanted to close the trade. But I was like, okay, let me just see what is happening. I didn't close the trade. So I've accepted the loss that even if market is spiked. But what I did was that I remember, yes, I did break it. Yes. I remember. Just to help my mental health. I did break it. So funny enough, when market opens on Sunday, market almost take me out. I'm not lying. So I think so like around like 2 or 3 tips. Because if you check that this coming into this week, market gives some gaps. If you check
some gaps. Yes.
Good. Yes, there was a gap. So that gap almost hit my break even. But I didn't even bother. I left it. And then before I know it, you know that if that gap should exceed that your break even, it's going to chop your account. It's not going to chop my account. It's only just going to like probably a little wait. It's going to give me a little drawdown. It's not yes. That's what I'm saying. Part of your money goes to like break even. It's going to give me a little drawdown. It is more affordable. Like it's a loss that I can actually afford within my reach. Yes, that was why I said yes. You understand? Yes. Even myself, I'm aware.
You and your friends.
No, brain it. You are not understand. You don't understand what below you not talk. Sometimes when we have a gap, the asset that you have is giving you $10. You might end up seeing $30-something because of that thing.
You've been humming that song all day.
Slippage. It dey happen. It dey happen. It don't happen to me like 3 times. It don't happen like to me like 3 times. It dey happen.
It was during when I was
don't start come and buy good like this. They don't tell me I don't get joy.
Straight up. What money?
No, I don't check it twice.
What money? I don't understand though.
So that is why that was the reason why I actually. The reason why I'm telling you this because I was just telling you this why I did not do trade that last week because I've actually minimized my
There's no problem.
lowest.
Yes, yes.
So even I had to see alongside with that growth. So it came back to my breakthrough and I did what? I didn't I think throughout this week I only just I traded growth throughout this week. So the reason why I did not drop it because I know it's good and I knew that most someone like you, I don't think you actually like growth. So I realized I think it's based on synthetic. That's
Yes, I don't. I don't like
Well,
it. I don't.
probably
I said that.
by the start of next month, inshallah.
Yes,
I'll
no
start
problem.
getting it back. Don't worry.
No problem.
That was the reason why I
No
didn't
problem.
take you out of that.
No, but
That was
I would have
based on what we did for that
those
woman.
weekend, this is what I enjoy the most. Not even the setup itself, because it allow you to understand what view you have over what you are doing.
Yeah.
If I want to place any trade, if I have not been listening to you before, I will not enter that trade. Honestly, there's nothing that will tell me that you need me to enter that trade. Unless I see you when you are doing that setup. Okay, I understand. Okay, I can think the way you are thinking. Yes, when you analyze that, okay, this is the reason why he put this there. This is why he put this there. I can't just place a trade without understanding that person first.
Mm-hmm.
It's good though. It's good that way. It's good. I don't like it. Because even at the point whereby me financially, if I see if you give out trade, the only thing that will make you take that trade instant is only if I was there when you are analyzing the market and I'm actually seeing it from your own view. If I'm not seeing it from the same view, I can concur to whatever things you are saying, but you never see me take that trade. Those are the things I am trying to learn. Although I've always been like that, but what I realize is just that you have to learn how to be disciplined. That's
Yeah, the trading plan, it matters.
Yes, I was telling you that even if you have, I realize that even though you have a big account, you can still grow even your money. You have that big account, you can still grow that money if you are not careful. So it's better you manage a smaller account to a bigger account.
Yeah.
Do you understand? And if you can do consistency with the smaller account, there's nothing is going to stop you to actually build that big account.
I swear.
You can discipline on the smaller account. Regardless of how long it takes you. Regardless of how long it takes you to build that smaller account. When you can manage the smaller account very well, nothing is going to stop you from managing the bigger account.
I swear.
So I decided to just go off any noise. These days, I'm only taking my trades. If you like, make I come because they always call me to I always post a lot of things like this. Even from whatever post that you actually are you ask me to come to come and speak and do anything.
Mm-hmm.
Even if you analyze something on that event, me personally I will not take it. I can only concur to it. I want to be taking my own personal analysis.
Yeah.
I don't want to be taking someone else's analysis. The only thing that will make me take your analysis, that means I've analyzed that thing before and it's not aligning with what I analyzed. That means I'm still like taking my trade. And it has, sincerely speaking, but it has helped me to reduce the way I trade. I don't just trade anyhow. In fact, this week, the only trade I took this week, previously, but I think trading week is actually over. So the only trade I took last week, I didn't think I took up to 5 trades. 2 good trades. Yeah, okay. Okay, 2 and Ethereum. That is only 3 trades I took last week. And last 2 weeks I took 3 trades, which is the gold and then the 2 trades I talked about. And I had a losing streak. I lost the 2 trades, and I didn't even bother. Despite the fact that I'm seeing another setup, I did not bother myself to take the trade.
So
I just realized that I want to be trading when opportunity shows itself. I don't want to be forcing any trade. I don't want to bombarding myself with trades. If it's not giving me what I want, I'm not even going to force anything. And I'm trying to learn how to make sure trade comes to me. And that is how I've been trading.
That is being patient.
Do you understand?
That's being patient.
I want to make sure that market is actually coming to me. I'm not chasing after it. If not, unless it's actually giving me another structure entirely, then I will analyze. But if it's still giving me the same structure, I'm waiting for it. Even if it is mystery, I will not even trade on that pair again. I'll go to another pair and analyze. But the more I try to want to look for opportunity on that pair, the more I might actually fall a victim.
Yeah.
So that's what I've actually realized. If my first entry is not giving me what I want, and I realize that it's actually a mistake, it has gotten to my team, I'm not trading on that pair at that moment.
Of course.
I will leave it for like 2 or 3 days, see what the market is going to. They are now analyze it again. And if it's still not giving me what I want, I will just even abandon the pair, go to another pair. It's still just like me trading one pair at a time. But every weekend, I do general analysis on all the pairs. I know what I'm looking at for the week. So what I'll just do is I'll go back there, if it's actually giving me what I want. If market has not gotten to where I want, I'll leave it to go to another place. And it has actually been really good. So I realize that even in a week, if I didn't see any setup, it's not bad. In as much as I know I'm still looking for what I want, what I'm looking for, I think it has actually been helping me. I've been having like a rest of mind. Let me just put it that way. So it's giving me rest of mind. And what it just says that it's not about to start something. It's like doing it continuously. That is the important thing. That is where consistency comes
in. So I want to say something. Okay, it might actually help you, and to everybody that are actually listening. All right. I want to talk about this thing, and it's actually helping me. This is what I've been doing all this while. When it comes to trading, the mindset of my first trade, second trade, third trade, it's my SL. I'm not going to be trading for that week will not actually help. That is why you need to have a proper trading plan. When you have a normal trading plan, on your trading plan, you know that, okay, these are the numbers of trade, the maximum numbers of trade that I will be taking for this week. It has to be week by week. So after the week ends, if there's something that you need to adjust in your trading plan, you do that over the weekend. Then you get ready for the following week. Because if you go by the mindset of my first trade, second trade, or the third trade, it's SL, I will not trade for the week again. Who knows? Maybe the fourth, the fifth, the sixth, you actually go well and you will end up closing it in profit. But because you already have it in mind, because you start the week with SL. So that's why I said it one time, I think I used to say it safe, that when it comes to trading, that kind of mindset doesn't work in trading. It can actually work to our normal way of life. Maybe you go to shop, you just open shop on a Monday morning. Somebody come say, abeg give me so this thing, I will come and give you money later. You go talk, you come talk say, no, sorry, I no fit do am. This is too early for that. If that one fit dey happen for normal life outside, but no be for forex. That is why this game, all right, let me just use the word game. This game that we are all playing is they win, you win. It's a win-win for both sides. You lose, and it's not even a lose. It's actually just a setback. You lose. You pay to the market. Market pay you back. You guys are exchanging. You understand? But market give more to you if you're a professional trader. Market will give more to you. That's why you are a profitable trader. Okay? There are many times, if I can still say like 2 weeks or 3 times or 2 times that has happened in a week. Bolo Junior, you can testify to this, that Monday, Tuesday will be a very bad day, that will be on a very losing track. And what will eventually happen? At the end of the Friday, what will happen? We'll still be back in profit. And that is how we've been having it. We are still running in a winning track for the past 11 months. This week, I think we start this week with our first trade was running in profit, then the second one, SLS, we are now on drawdown. But later on, we still close it in profit. So we close it in little profit. Why this trade that I show you now, You see a running trade that is running for our last week. When we say don't eat our TP1, these two traders eat TP1 already. Even though if this one come back to our break even, we still close with little profit. But if this one close in TP, that is massive profit again. 11th week back to back. There was a week that it was very terrible, very challenging. I was even saying that I'm on this week. I'm not sure we are going to escape it, but we escaped it. So when you have a proper trading plan, I don't know how you guys trade. Maybe it is 1 trade per day, 2 trade per day. At least you should have a maximum trade.
I want to say something because I want you to just I want you to dip into what you actually say. That's what it is. If you understand what I was saying,
yeah.
I'm not saying after 2 or 3 trades.
Okay.
In a week I'm off. I said on a pair. That's what I said.
Okay, on a pair. Okay.
I said, if I've checked, if I had an SL on that pair,
yeah.
I'm not looking for another trade immediately.
Yeah.
I'm looking for like 2 or 3 days. That's what I said.
Of course.
On
Yeah.
a pair, I said if I didn't get what I want on a pair, I will move to another pair. That's why I analyze a lot of pair every weekend. That's what I said.
Okay.
Because the more you are trying to force a trade
on that particular pair,
the more SL you will get. That's what I'm saying.
Yes.
That if you have one SL, instead of you trying to find another reality and blah blah blah, it's better for you to leave it, let the pair settle down.
Yeah.
And reanalyze that pair for a better entry. That's what I'm saying.
And come back.
That's what I said earlier when I want to start. I want to make money.
No, but seriously, some people they do like that too. Some people they do like that too. When we say once they don't lose like this, they don't go trade again.
Now for swing traders, not for a day trader.
Not for a day trader.
The day I said I had this loss. That last 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Before I took the gold sale. Even the gold trade I took, it was past 3, and I don't like taking trades towards the end of New York. And
okay.
Going on a weekend, I don't like it. But because of the confidence I have on that peer, because of the confluence, I was forced to take the peer. I was forced to take the trade. I was not supposed to take the trade because I've maximized my trading days.
Okay.
Because when it comes to closing of New York, I don't like taking trade because market I think it's most time that market will always reverse. Do Christmas, then wake up to like what's it called? New York section, London section, then before the new move. But because we are going on weekend, and I know it's even more riskier.
Yeah.
Because of the conference I saw, I took the trade. And then the trade was I think the trade gave me 1:4. And I don't even take partial profit. I leave it. The market opened on Sunday, and there's this spike, these gaps. And I was even telling Mr. Bello that it was like about I escaped with like 2 or 3 pips to my break even. And then still yet, that did not even panic me. Because I've set on my mind that trade, that money is actually out of my pocket. So I left it. And before I know it, Monday, I don't even like to trade on Monday too, because I know the market always retraced back on Monday, take the previous day high, blah blah blah. I didn't even bother to take any trade. I stick to that trade. I leave it. And the trade was going fine. Even me and the person that actually analyzed it even missed the trade. Because of his own entry. But me, because of my own entry, I took the trade. I was only the one that was actually on the trade back. So, and then even the re-entry I took, I would not even like to the re-entry. I just analyzed the re-entry and I did a sell limit. I don't even remember that I had it too. It was when I lost the Ethereum trade, and I'm like, now I even go check my second profile. Now I see anything in this stuff for them. Yeah. Now I come here and I say, I just say, I see market day profit. I say, what did happen? I can't remember. I said I did analysis, and I took I set the limit, and I don't even forget. I forgot the thing. So I'm only just telling you when he was saying that he had like $500. $500. I was not telling that it's based on over trading. Like he actually over traded the account. Yeah. And then one thing I even want to tell him is that if it has been a while to actually
trade on a pair, don't instantly jump into a trade on that pair. Try to at least back test, like even if we can just probably let's say a month or for a few days. Back test is first and see if the market is still respecting your conferences and your strategy. Because market face changes. It might be your best player, but before you know it, the faces has changed. It's not respecting what probably is the other block that you used to use. It's not respecting the other block again. It's even respecting more breaker block. At times, there are some market that they will first sweep a valid other block before they start moving.
Before they start moving.
So you understand? It's based on study. How do you see the market? Don't be saying this good now. When I was telling Mr. Amino, when I was before I started trading, you know me now. You know me, I know they follow that thing.
Yeah. Yeah.
Regardless of how clean the trade is or good, I don't go take am. But when I now sit down, I backtest the pair, and then I realize that it's actually respecting what I actually like to use. Then I took some few trades without placing the trade, and it went well. Then I practicalized it on a real account, and it actually went well. And that doesn't mean next week it will not blow me. That is a big lie. As you give me something this week now, if it be next week, make it blow me. If I still want to trade on it, that is it. That is when you learn how to not overtrade. Once you have a 2-3 loss on a pair, stay back, you analyze again, clear your chart. If you are still seeing the same thing, then that means it's only just one little thing you need to just adjust. But if you now backtest and see that, in fact, there's no way you backtest, you don't see where the mistake is coming from. Because I'm not like market will not wrong. You are the one that will not see the right thing in the market. That is just one thing. Is it like you see the right thing that will give you the profit, or you do not see the right thing and you actually going to it's going to meet your surplus. That's one thing. Market will move the way it wants to move. It's just that are you knowledgeable enough to see where the market is going? Market will see. One thing we ignore in market is that market will always give us sign. It's only if you try to ignore that sign. Even if you are only in the market wants to buy from you, market will give you a sign. But are you there to see the sign, or are you observant enough to see the sign? That is just it. That's one thing you need to understand. That's why you say that the market gives you 1:4 and you come back there and you came back to my it did it for me last week. DSCHF gave me like 1:5. Before market started coming back to my, just imagine, that 1:5, I take that 1:5. Say, I don't go know what it is. But because of, I will not say greediness, I'm just trying to make sure that I understand how, at least me, before I can actually say this here is my peer, I always want to see how much can he give me before he even go against me.
You never collect this
one. Does it always give me 1:2 or 1:3 before it started, even if you want to go against me? Is it 1:1? That's one thing I always understand. I always try to study anything I want to take. So that is just it. It's just for us to just, be observant enough to see. And one thing I always tell people is that learn when to exit, when to take BTP, and learn when market will actually go against your analysis. Because if market is going to go against your analysis, they will always give you key places, a key level that actually what invalidates your setup. If you can actually note that key level, just like what negation 2 is doing on display now, he knows that the reason why he's giving this TP1 is not because he has the full confidence. Of course, he might have the full confidence that market will come to the full TP, but he knows at least market must give him what that profit before he even reverse, even though it's going to reverse. I want to believe that is the reason why we are giving. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, because you actually know some places that can actually even reverse market at least.
Yeah.
This place can actually reverse market, but I know that if market gets there, market would have given me something. And if you want to reverse it, it's not actually because we are not the determinant of this market.
Yeah.
So those are the things I'm saying. Always know when market will actually invalidate your setup. If you actually learn how to blend that, your loss will actually reduce. Now the small thing with me, I think I observe where I want to go share with that.
Thank you so much, my brother. God bless you. That's a wonderful, wonderful talk, wonderful what we feel call ourselves. Wonderful advice. God bless you. So, guys, you can send your request if you want to share anything with us. Let us talk about how you can actually get better. I think that is the most thing we need to be talking about. How we can get better as a trader. You understand? How we can get better as a trader. Tedros, okay, he disconnects himself. So I told you that we are not going to be taking any trade again because we already have 3 trades, and that is my promise for this week. Maximum of 3 trades, and you will realize that almost all the weekends, ever since we be doing that, we no pass more than 3 trades. So that's how it should be. Always have a trading plan. If you have a trading plan, you're good. No matter the setup I say, I'm not going to take it. All right. Now till tomorrow evening, any setup for new week. There we go. Tedros, how are you? Tedros, Abebe Miki, I greet you. Abebe. Tedros, are you there? Tedros. Yeah, well done. Good afternoon. I'm not sure it's with us. I'm not sure it's with us. Please let us tap and share. Let's tap and share. Let's tap and share. Today is Saturday. Okay. I hope you are enjoying your weekend. So if you want to join our free Telegram group, the link is on my bio. And our VIP is $20 for monthly subscription, and the $10 is just for 2 weeks subscription. Maybe you want to test run to see what we do there. That is for $10 2 weeks. Okay, but monthly subscription is $20, and we are on the verge of setting a new record. Most especially for myself, because ever since I've been trading for almost 8 years now, I've not had a win streak of almost 3 months. So if God help us next week, we close it again with another product. That's going to be 3 months in a row. I know now. At least within 2 months.
But you give us $20, please. $20. That's you do this thing.
Giveaway.
They say they do giveaway, so you.
I've been now. But seriously, he always give me journey time and remember. Seriously, say and serious is if not because of synthetics, I don't think I will have this kind of unit rep. I'm not sure. There's no how. Maybe in a month, I go shall get at least one. At least one bad week. So this week, good.
Yes.
You know good.
We're not
even good at all. You understand? But on synthetics, you'll be able to come back in profit. That is, if you know what you're doing. If you actually know what you're doing, you will make money in synthetics. And thank God the record is there. It's not that maybe person they make mouth. It's something wetin we dey do every day for year. The day wey we say we go, many of us go feel like crying. Say omo. And I don't expect anyone to feel like crying, because you should have proper risk management. If you have proper risk management, imagine say that's why I'm giving advice that everyone on that VIP, if you can try as much as possible to get a pro firm, get the pro firm and let us pass it together. Okay, let us get the pro firm.
Have you checked what I told you about the
Wallahi, I never even check am. I'm yet to even go to the site since that yesterday.
Check it. Which person is that one?
Blue funded.
Blue funded.
The biggest should not talk about that for this.
Yes.
For this, like, yes.
Yes.
So you've not tried it.
I've not too. So Bello Junior don't try am,
No, I
sha.
think they said they are not giving. They said one person. I think one of your followers said it's not always on those normal certificate. It's not.
God bless you.
Volatility.
Yes, that was what I heard before. But Bello Junior confirmed it. Another person has confirmed it that it is a lie.
Wow.
It's a lie.
If Prophet don't dey, I think all the great synthetic now because no say na money they do for synthetic.
Now money now. Yes, I know. Yes. Because of the volatility.
Now they lie.
Yes, I know.
Now they lie.
I know.
If the problem dey affordable, I think switch.
Yes, now.
It's affordable now.
It's affordable.
This thing is
$39.
$5K account is like $39.
When was the last time you went for Hamza?
It's been like, will I say almost 2 weeks now because he's busy.
I know it's because I mean, even at this,
He's busy.
He reply to chats.
No, we didn't say he's busy.
So very worried.
Yeah, he's busy because of his business. I'm seeing his this thing, so he's busy.
Make it alert. Let us know say it is fine.
Yeah. Baba busy.
So
Please.
this bongo promo this thing that I'm talking about.
Yes.
If you like, let's say you buy the 5K now.
Okay.
But you have to pass it before they give. You have to pass it to funded stage.
Yes.
They give you that other
Another account.
When you get, they will not give you another face account.
Okay.
Two-face account. Yes, let's say you are doing two-face account, two-step account.
Okay.
They will not give you another two-step account. You will not be trading with it together with your funded account.
Okay.
Yes.
That makes a lot of sense. That makes a lot of
It
sense.
makes a lot of sense.
Mm.
But you must pass first. You must pass those first two stages to get you to funded stage. Then they will not give you that two-step again.
Yeah.
Yes.
It makes sense.
It's fair enough now.
It's fair enough.
It's fair.
And I took my time.
Why I asked you to buy a bigger account is that
Yeah.
their profit target, you will be able to meet your trading standard. Let's say now, a particular trade can give you up to 170.
Yeah.
$170.
Yeah.
I think you understand.
Yeah.
So now let's say you buy a smaller account which is like $800. So
Jared.
in a day, you must not make more
Jesse,
than $80 in a day.
follow your brother.
Profit day.
Don't pee inside the
I think you
WCO.
understand.
Yeah.
I think you understand.
Yeah.
The 5K account for a day now, you must not make more than 90 or between $90 and $100 per day.
No, for 5K.
For 5K, yes. Go and do the math.
No.
It's 40% consistency.
40%.
It's 40% divided by the profit target. The profit target for that is not for the account though. Is for the profit target.
Yes, the profit target. Yes, let me do the calculation.
800.
No, let us do the calculation.
40%.
I'm coming.
Yes.
Let me bring calculator.
Yes. I'm with the calculator now. This
40.
divided by 100.
No, I'm coming. For 5K, the target is 8%.
Is 8%.
So what is the 8% of 5K?
8% of 5K and 5K is $400.
So $400. That is 40% of $400. That's what they're saying.
Is yes, 40% of $400
Is one something.
times 400
It should be one
is
something.
160.
So
160.
you must not make up more than 160 per day.
160 now. Only
Yes.
one trade that you took is more than $170.
Yes, I know. What? So yes, if I want to trade it now,
I think you know where the problem is.
yes, it is going to limit us from making more.
Yes, making more.
Mm.
So that's why I said it's better you increase your. Let's say if we can try and manage buy the bigger account like the 10K account.
Yeah.
10K account, the profit is still around. I think 800 is the target.
Okay.
800 is the target, the first target.
Yeah.
$800 is the first target.
Is it going to be the same? It's still going to be the
No,
same.
it's not. It's 320. It's double of that account. That's
Yeah,
320 per day.
yeah, I know that it's double, but it's still the same. It's still the same target, the same
Yes.
maximum this thing that when the same this thing consistency.
Yes, it's the same. Yes, consistency.
Eh.
Yes.
So if I buy a bigger account,
Works well.
I need to make more money then.
Yes, you can make more money on that particular one instead of the smaller account.
I understand. Yeah, I understand. Kapola, you're welcome.
Honestly, that thing will make you close trade at a point. You will close trade. That's why
Yes.
make you close trade.
Yes.
You open. Let's say we are on these 3 trades now, and you see that one like let me check.
Yes, it's true. Like this 3 trade, let us assume those 3 trade don't they reach almost 1 or something now, and we want to close everything. Did you understand what Bello Junior is saying? So that is the challenge we're going to have. That is the only challenge. But say we no go pass am with our winning trade, come on, forget. But because of that consistency, yes, I understand.
This one trade that we are on now.
Yeah.
This week trade and this weekend trade that we did.
Yes.
Is more than what I'm supposed to offer for this 5K account now.
So you see, yes.
What I'm still presently is more than that.
It's more than that.
Sing that song all day, but
You
can't
see?
quite get the words
So
right.
now I must close it. Like I must wait for a little bit longer and close.
And close it.
Scroll in real time as the track
Yes.
plays.
That is the challenge.
Sing along, learn
That is the challenge. Imagine you go come dey pray for drawdown. You go dey pray for drawdown, make this thing come down so that you can close.
It doesn't have to stay on your phone. With Spotify,
But you know what they're supposed to do?
smart speaker,
What they could have done is they're supposed to do their side to the level that once any of your running trades, once you don't hit the target, automatically they're supposed to close down. It's supposed to close automatically from their end.
one song in the queue that kills the momentum.
So it's only lot size that they can close from their
Only lot size.
Reorder your tracks.
It's only lot size. And the lot size they will tell you that you reach the account.
Yes. Yes.
If you that means that you must also read their lot. Like now, if I want to buy the account, I must have a printout of the lot size. Maximum lot size I can open on a particular account.
Yes. So if you're on the VIP, yeah, anybody on the VIP, if you know that you've gotten the account, please let us know. Don't worry, I'm going to call you guys in the evening today by 6. We're going to have a meeting because one of us already have the account. I'll be getting my own. Bello Junior definitely. So anybody, I will advise you try to get the account so we can start trading it from Monday. Okay, and I'm going to guide you how we are going to go about with the risk management. We no go follow their risk management. We will go have our own risk management for it. You understand? Definitely we go pass on. Definitely. We go top SLO. That one dey very certain, but we will surely pass it because we want to apply our own risk management. We no go follow their own. Nothing concern us with their own. The only thing wey go concern us is that consistency. It has happened to me one time that the day I bought the account, I passed the first one. Why? Because I was on a trade, swing trade, 4 hours entry, 3 trades. And all those trades was now running in profit. Trade wey be say e never even reach 1-to-1. All of them. I don't see say market I don't hit my target. I have to close everything. Phase 1 finish. So that is the kind of thing we are talking about on consistency rule, that you will be limited, will not be able to make more than 160. That is if you buy 5K accounts per day. Per day. That is per day. So obviously you cannot even say you want to pass the account for one day. Obviously. So
At least you
God
must
will
have
help
more
us.
profit more profitable also.
Yeah. So Shatisi said which account they I think is 5K is $39 for 5K Bloom funded. So that's it. My brother Oluwase Funmi, where does sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shut up.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I tried to check their site today.
Blue funded.
So I've
Okay.
been checking their site for a while.
Okay.
Yes, but today I actually sat down and I grabbed my pen and my paper and I was writing some things down. I think concerning that consistency on the lot size
Yes.
and also the 40% consistency rule
Yes.
for the profit per day. I
Yes.
think even if one breach that one, it should not affect the account
No,
because
it will not.
I've forgotten the name they call. Sir?
It will not affect it.
Yes, because they said you still have room to reach all those. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
When that consistency will be giving you problem is when you get their funded account.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Okay.
Where will be giving you more problem is the funded account because first they will tell you that your first withdrawal cannot be more than 5% of the account.
5%.
That's one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, 5% of the account. So now, when your consistency, you that thing only. Let's say in a day you can get $500 on all your trade that you place. At the end of the day, you cannot get that $500 because they will not give you that money.
They will not.
Make that $500 that day.
They will not. They will only give you the one for the from the target for that this thing. So the other one is going to be on the next payment. So you see the same. You see, if even though if you're on the funded account, right? Let us say you buy account of 5,000, right? And you want to withdraw 500.
No, at times they will remove those money. They will come out those money from your account. Yes, now.
Well,
They can remove it, or they will remove it.
Sir, Mr. Ratio.
Yes, sir.
You talked about this problem the other time.
Which one? Which one?
10 trade.
Yeah, 10 trade. Yes. Yes.
Please, maybe you should try and recheck their rules and everything. They also have consistency rule.
No. For that funded, the 10 trade. Wait, the 10 trade I'm talking about. They have a 10 trade. Hey, what's the name? Is it 10 trade wedge or 10 day edge or something? They just created that one. But the normal 10 trade is still the same 10 trade that owns it.
Yeah.
You understand? They call it 10 trade something. So that one no consistency.
Okay.
But the normal live account, the normal instant account on their normal 10 trade wey they get, e has consistency. But this one wey they just create, no consistency. And it's overall is 10% drawdown. It's just a normal this thing for like challenge phase. And you can even withdraw any amount that you have there.
Mr. Oluwaseyi,
Yes,
if
sir.
you want to get more information about this, don't only read what's it called? Their rules on their page.
Yeah.
Go to their Twitter page. Look at their response to people using the account.
The account.
The people that the complaint they used to give. Go and read it. You will see what I'm saying that is true.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Go and check their Twitter page. Go and check their X page and see how they are complaining. Go to reply. Don't even bother going to their post. Go to reply. You will see people are replying them with their problems.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Please, let's stop. So, by the grace of God, God is going to help you. I wish I can get the bigger accounts, but I not to get money now, guys. If it is 10K or the 5K, I'll be able to get. I will first get that one then. Because I don't even want to touch my this thing, so make that one just D. make that one day because you know I'm still working on that this thing. What is it called? They try work on them.
Like, the attack is like $77 with that promo code. $77.
$77.
Yes, with that promo, this thing I sent you. 77. And 77 is like with the charges that they are going to, I think it's 117,000 naira. So.
Yeah.
Yes.
Well, God will help us.
May we make that money?
We'll make the money.
Yes.
We'll make the money. It is well. Guys, let's start. By the grace of God, next week too, I hope that it's going to be good. But at the same time, let us get ready for the losses, like I used to say. Okay, we celebrate losses here very, very well. We know they fear loss because it's part of the game. If you cannot accept it, you can't make money in the market. All right, you can't make that in the market. You can't make any money. Let's start. People on the YouTube, what's up? Okay. And I can just share. Let's share. You want a bar? Jesus. Let's start on share. So tomorrow, by the grace of God, in the afternoon, maybe by 1 or 2, I'll be coming live to share my weekly bias for you all for currency pairs. Okay, sharing bias on that. So I think I went to BTC the other time. Okay, so I'm trying to look at the BTC. I didn't take the trade. Okay, I just put this forecast there. Where is it again? I put the forecast because for the past, if you go to 15 minute, the market has been consolidating. So tomorrow we're going to start with BTC. Market has been consolidating here. See that? So I just want to see a break. So from the break, nice place to engage, then put SL here, then push up. So this is what is actually going on at the moment. So tomorrow, by the grace of God, we're going to start with this BTC and share our analysis. Okay, so let me just clear the chart. Okay. So probably we might add some pairs from currency pair, but I'm still thinking about it. Hold on. I'm still thinking about it because this synthetics, this synthetics, you won't just be like, it won't be like say you get out wife for house, all right? You can't see one fine girl for outside where you say immediately you taste them, you don't want to leave them again. Now so this synthetic be. You don't want to leave them again, you just want to stick to this. That fine girl say, oh my God, this way they give me, hey. Seriously. Why are we here? Is it not because of money? It's because of money. Because of money. In fact, because of statistics now, I don't really know where to they go on concerning the war matter. So if you have any update on the war, please let me know. Are they still fighting? Because I don't know. Is Baba still tweeting? I don't even bother to check. Nothing concerned because I'm focusing on statistics now. So if there's any updates, please let us know. Brain Intel, what is going on with the war? What is going on with the world? Please let us know. Before I'll be closing this our live stream, I already plan to do just 2 hours, but I think I don't pass 2 hours now. Let's stop. So by tomorrow, Saturday, Sunday in the afternoon, you're gonna see me. Every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. That is weekdays, 9 a.m. You're gonna see me on 9 a.m. Nigerian time. I trade live stream on YouTube and TikTok. And the way we have it now, streaming on the boats. Okay, do well to join us. So our free Telegram group is there. Click the link on my bio and join. And if you want to join our VIP is $20. So if you are coming to the VIP, I will advise you. Make sure if you don't want profit, make sure you have a good balance so that you can take all of our trades. But if you can buy the profit of that blue funded, it's very good so that you can take every trade I post. Did you understand? So come and pass the profit, make your money. All right, and it's so far so good for the past 11 weeks now. It's back-to-back win, okay? Back-to-back. So it is $20 to join, monthly subscription. 2 weeks is $10. All right. Then I have this mentorship class that I'm doing, which is for a discount price. Group class is $50. Online one-on-one is $100. 2 months program, 3 times in a week. I'm gonna be teaching you everything I know, everything that I know. So the advantage of any person being my student is actually something like a lifetime. So far we are still keeping our contact. Maybe you are still able to get my contact. We are still talking. It's just more or less like lifetime. But the main class is 2 months, 3 times in a week. So afterwards, we are still together as a family. Because my students that I actually don't have, I don't finish their distance since last system. We still did together as family. That sometimes they will just share their bias, and I will check. I say, yeah, this is good. If I have any updates, I will let them know. Even if they have updates, they will let me know. So we are still like a family. So that is the kind of group that I have. All right. So I think that is that, because I need to go. My team is playing Man U. We are having a friendly match, so I just want to use that one to catch cruise and to get prepared for the next season, because we are the football lover. All right. So guys, make sure you trade wisely. Sit down, check your trading plan. What are the things that you want to adjust? What are the things that you want to add? Your risk management. How can you get better with your risk management? All of those things. Please take it very, very serious. And you see that SL is very good to do what? To make sure you take it very serious. SL is very, very important. If you are engaging on any trade, have it in mind that this trade will eventually go either way. You understand? So that it's going to help your psychology. And there's something I actually want to teach you guys. Okay, there's something I want to teach you guys. Maybe it's going to be So you see this, there are some times, right? Let me quickly say this to you. There are some times that some of us, it is only buys we want to see. Now only buys our eye they see. I will say this lastly before I go. Now only buys our eyes they do what? They see. When we say you don't like to be clicking sell, it is only buy. All right. So this is what you can actually do. If you see a selling market that you know that this guy is selling, okay, you can come to these settings. Let me show you. Under the settings beneath here, if you click here, all right, you come here, you will see where is it? Invert scale. Change it. Invert scale is going to change it like this, so that you can do your setup for a buy. Meanwhile, market is selling, but you can use this to do your setup for that buy. Meanwhile, it's actually selling, right? So you can use that so that it's going to help you as well. All right. So by next week, I hope it's going to be good. So I will be seeing you guys tomorrow. Thank you. God bless you. Brilliant everybody, Junior. I really appreciate. And everyone, thank you for coming through. Tomorrow we meet again. Enjoy your day and have a good night. On YouTube, thank you. Take care of yourself.